Hello everyone, welcome to Infoland. In today's video I will tell you about myth and truth. As we all know, there are many myths in this world and many people believe them to be true. They think that maybe this is the truth. Today we will share with you some of the many such myths. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned with this video. Number 1 myth is about chameleons. Too many people think chameleons change their color to blend in with their environment, but this is not a truth. The truth is, they change their color to reflect their mood. Number 2 myth is about the forensic process. Like so many other myths, it is a myth the forensic process gives answer to all questions and even solves crime. But this is not a truth. The truth is the process of forensics only help to collect evidence. Number 3 myth is about defibrillator. People think a stopped heart can be restarted with a defibrillator shock. But the truth is, once a heart stopped beating, a defibrillator can't restart it. Then the question is, what is the whole point of the defibrillator? It's meant to restart your heart beating, for examples, for cardiac arrhythmia or similar things. Number 4 myth is about cold. People think it's easier to catch a cold when it's actually cold. But this is not true. The truth is, colds are caused by viruses, not air or temperature. Number 5 myth is about bats. People think bats are blind. But this is not true. Not only bats can see, but they also use echolocation. Echolocation is the location of objects by reflected sound, in particular that used by animals, such as dolphins and bats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.